5 ways to earn $1,000 with new AI tools and ChatGPT in 2024. With the introduction of AI, making money is now more accessible than ever. In today's video, we at Money Academy are going to show you 5 ways you can make over $1,000 using just AI tools from the comfort of your own computer. Number 1. Developing a SaaS product is a process that begins with an idea, progresses through design, coding, testing, and finally launches. This process can take months or even years, depending on the complexity of your product. AI coding assistants, such as Copilot, can, however, accelerate the process significantly. They provide real-time code suggestions, automate repetitive tasks, and assist in debugging your code. Imagine typing a comment and having Copilot write the corresponding code as you tab through. To begin, create a simple MVP, minimum viable product, and sell it quickly. This way, you can fully utilize AI. For inspiration, look to indie developer Louis Pereira, who created AudioPen, a popular AI audio note-taking app. No-code development tools, such as Bubble and Directual, are ideal for creating low-code applications. ChatGPT can also answer your technical questions and provide advice, allowing you to learn valuable skills. If your app does one thing well, you can increase your subscriber base and generate monthly recurring revenue. Number 2. Sales operations typically involve repetitive tasks such as lead management, sales tracking, data analysis, and list maintenance. These tasks are time-consuming and detract from the time salespeople could spend developing relationships and closing deals. This presents a fantastic opportunity for a service-based business or consulting firm that combines AI and CRM. Targeting a specific niche can increase the value of your service. Whenever you see a complex software or process, there's a good chance you can make money by simplifying it. AI sales tools such as Apollo, Seamless AI, and SendSpark can help with many sales and contact management tasks. These tools can generate leads, track sales, analyze performance, and provide recommendations for improving strategies. However, many businesses are unaware of these resources or struggle to implement them. By mastering a specific CRM and AI integration, you can provide a high-value service to businesses that require your skills. Number 3. You can also earn a lot of money through PayPal by using AI bots in affiliate marketing. This approach is simple and effective. Find an affiliate offer, get people to click your affiliate link, and earn a commission for each sale or action made through that link. Affiliate marketing is popular because it requires minimal involvement in business operations. The company handles customer service, product development, and updates, allowing you to focus on promotion and earning commissions. This makes affiliate marketing a passive income stream that can generate PayPal money while you sleep. AI bots enhance your affiliate marketing efforts. One great bot for beginners is ChatGPT, which can have interactive conversations, provide detailed answers, and complete various tasks. Use ChatGPT to answer questions, write blog articles, manage YouTube channels, and assist with email marketing. Another useful AI bot is Opus Clip, which converts long-form content into short-form pieces for platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Leveraging AI bots streamlines and automates different aspects of your online business, making it easier to earn and grow. Number 4. Providing excellent customer service is essential for any business, but managing multiple inquiries can be challenging. This is where AI chatbots come in, handling the most basic inbound questions. If you're a new developer or are familiar with conversational AI, you can provide AI chatbot configuration services. Specialize in a few platforms, integrate them with websites, and train chatbots for clients using a knowledge base and internal documents. Once trained, use them to meet your clients' needs. We recommend Chatbase, Tidio, and Botsonic for building AI chatbots. Botsify is another excellent option, particularly for agencies or freelancers, as it allows for white labeling. Mastering these tools allows you to provide valuable services that improve customer support and efficiency. Number 5. The growing creator economy presents numerous opportunities. Whether you want to support YouTubers, podcasters, musicians, or other creatives, AI can help. There are numerous ways to use AI to generate revenue through audio-based services. Creating music or background tracks for videos, games, or media requires specialized skills. AI music generators such as Ava or Mubert can help by creating unique tracks in seconds. AI democratizes music production, allowing you to launch a successful music-related service business. Platforms such as Fiverr provide a global marketplace for selling your services, allowing you to reach audiences far beyond your expectations. With AI on your side, you can engineer your way to success in the music industry. Using these methods, you could be well on your way to earning a great income on the side in no time. Will you be trying these out? Let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.